That website you built yourself, is it starting to cost you more than it saves?
You did it. You launched your own website, and for a while, it felt like a huge win. You saved money and got your business online.
But now, simple updates feel like a battle. That one image just won't align, and you've spent an hour on what should be a 5-minute fix. This is the first hidden cost, your time. Every hour you spend fighting your website's layout is an hour you're not serving clients or growing your practice. Then comes the good enough plateau. Your site works, but it doesn't command respect or build the trust that turns a premium visitor into a client. You're also hitting the SEO wall. Many DIY builders create code that search engines struggle to rank, leaving you invisible to the people trying to find you. And what about growth? Trying to integrate a specialized booking system or client portal feels impossible, boxing your business into what the template allows. This is the DIY tipping point. It's when the opportunity cost of lost clients, wasted hours, and stunted growth becomes far more expensive than a professional build. Imagine a different way. A custom site built by senior developers, accelerated by AI, that perfectly reflects your expertise and streamlines your work. You get a site that isn't just beautiful, but is built on a powerful, scalable platform like WordPress or Next.js. Best of all, you own everything, forever. Stop letting your website be a frustrating part-time job. It's time for a strategic asset that works as hard for your Los Angeles business as you do. At Webmaster and More, we help professionals make this exact transition. Let's find your website's hidden costs and opportunities. Book a free website teardown today.